Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk round tour of a new stock item that we've got in our used range, in that being a wonderfully well-spec'd 4-berth single axle Bailey Pursuit 430-4 2017. A fantastically well-spec'd lightweight caravan. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. So recently came into us, has already undergone its PDI inspection, so is fit and ready to go. So a caravan all prepared and ready for you. In great condition, as you can see here. Coming down the side of the caravan, you've got an access hatch here. You've also got a PowerTouch Evolution manual engaged motor mover already fitted to it and also built in as part of this caravan. You've got an access hatch to underneath the French bed and a look at the decals that you see here and the 430 logo towards the rear. So stepping inside the caravan, you've got a generous under-counter fridge with a work surface extension for the kitchen area, chopping board to cover the sink. You've got 3 gas hob burners in a combination oven with pan storage underneath. An easy usable height microwave positioned just above the kitchen area and plenty of storage dotted throughout this wonderfully well-spec'd caravan. A panoramic sunroof located at the front with storage underneath. You've got the JVC radio and CD player. This caravan benefiting from the Truma blown air heating system and main command centre located just by the habitation door. You can see from the fabric scheme here that's extremely well looked after by the previous owners. So we're really proud to have this in stock. You've got a sideboard here with a television point on the side and 240-volt socket and a couple of tucked away shelves. A nice large French bed with storage located underneath and further storage cabinets going through to the bedroom area. A generous sized wardrobe tucked away here where you've got a hanging rail, some tucked away shelves. Stepping on through to a very spacious bathroom area. So a large individual shower cubicle that you see here. Tucked away sink and also Thetford toilet with a further wardrobe supported in the bathroom area with a vanity mirror tucked away there. We've got some further shelves on the left hand side here and also your freestanding table tucked away there for the front of the caravan. So an extremely well-spec'd small 4-berth caravan, lovely lightweight with a motor mover fitted and like I say already had its PDI inspection and is ready to go. If you've got any queries or questions about this particular caravan, please feel free to contact our friendly sales team and we'd be more than happy to speak with you. I hope you've enjoyed the short walk round tour and we look forward to doing business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.